Hi, and welcome back to the Stitch Library. Today I'll cover the overhand stitch, which is used to top sew two finished edges together. A great example would be sewing a ribbon to the surface of the fabric. The overhand stitch is meant to be very small and almost invisible. For this tutorial, I've made all of the items contrast each other so you can see the stitch as I'm working. But for your project, make sure to decide whether you want your thread to match either the ribbon or the fabric surface. Again, this stitch is meant to be almost invisible, so getting the color right is very important. The key to making the perfect overhand stitch is the position of your needle. You'll want to keep the needle at an angle from the stitch line. When you do this, it'll make each stitch like a little tally mark as you go. Let's jump over to the tutorial and I'll walk you through how to make an overhand stitch. To start, use a knot at the end of your thread. You will start the stitch on the underside of the garment, bringing the needle and the full length of thread to the top. Next, starting on the garment side, take up as few threads as possible, maybe only 2 or 3, depending on the fabric you are working with. Next, without pulling your thread through to the surface, take the tip of your needle and nick the edge of the ribbon, taking the needle in from the side of the ribbon about 1/8 of an inch, or smaller if you can manage. Pull your thread all the way through and begin the next stitch, 1/8 of an inch to the left of the first stitch. Continue until the ribbon is secured on all sides. I'll replay the stitch a couple of times so you can make sure you're doing it right. When learning hand sewing, always remember to take it slow and make each stitch intentional. It will improve the quality of your work. I hope you enjoyed learning this stitch. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video to a friend who might find it helpful. See you in the next stitch video.